yellow color, red color, light green color, and the next one is light pink color, white color, purple color, brown color, dark green color, sky blue color, dark pink color, and the next one is orange color, black color, and the last one is silver color. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and the last one is Z. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the last one is tens. Kids, now we're writing alphabets and numbers.
Next time, won't you sing with me? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs.
Stay with us. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. Now we're writing alphabets. Vivid purple color. Kids, the next one is yellow green color, black color, geranium color, and the next one is deep olive green color, emerald green color, forest green color, Persian blue color. Subscribe to our channel. Baby blue color, cream color, exactly, scarlet color, and the last one is pastel pink color. Let's start writing capital letter alphabets. A, B, C, D. Exactly, now we're writing E. And the next one is F, F for fish. So kids, now we're using the color of forest green, the alphabet of G. The next one is H. Now we're writing I, J, K, L, L for lemon, geranium color, M, N, O, P, Q, and the last one is R. Thank you so much for watching. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Kids, the next one is 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and the next one is 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and the last one is 30. Now we're writing numbers 1 to 30. Baby blue color, pale pink color, forest green color, and the next one is yellow color, black color, pale blue light color, mint blue color, Persian blue color, emerald green color, cool gray color, and the last one is cream color. So kids, now we're writing numbers. First we're using the color of black, and now we draw and writing the number of 1, and the next one is 2, TW or true, the next one is 3, and the next one is 4, FOUR, 4. So kids, now we're using the color of cream color, 5, FIVE, 5, the next one is 6, the number of 6, and the next one is 7, 8, the next one is 9, NINE, 9, The next one is 10. T-E-N, 10. 10. Now you're using the color of baby blue. The number of 11. E-L-E-V-E-N, 11. 12. T-W-E-L-V-E, 12. And the next one is 13. The number of 13. The next one is 14. 14. 15. Now we're writing the number of 15. Kids, the next one is 16. The number of 16. Subscribe to our channel. We are again using the color of black. 17. And the next one is 18. The number of 18. Kids, the next one is 19. The number of 19. The next one is 20. The next one is 21. Now we draw and writing the number of 22. 22. 23. Exactly. And the next one is 24. 24. Kids, the next one is 25. Now we're using the color of mint blue color. Now we're using the color of mint blue. 25. And the next one is 26. 27. 28. Kids, the next one is 29. And the last one is 30. The number of 30. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.